'cause I rode with you, I grew up with you. My mama used to sit you when your moms weren't home. Always friends with you, never stepped to you.
Yeah, ho, yeah. Deep drive, baby. Next level. You crazy for this, man. Yeah, It's for my lover, man. Hey, boo, I love you. Check this out, though. She never say no. With tight shorts, your legs beyond. You make me shake when you got something sexy on. And your voice always carries that sexy tone. When we get up in the room, you got that sexy moan. Let's be gone, jump out and be alone. 'Cause every time I be with you, it feels like home. And when you're mad, I wanna eat you up, lay you down, kiss you, repeat my love. Let's say bye to them haters, hi to the limelight. You my inspiration, baby girl, you make my rhymes tight. And when we dash out, baby girl, we flashed out. You're stealing dudes' eyes, so I guess you're doing crimes, right? Right? Yeah. She could turn a game ass rate. If anything, I would really have your back for life. Relationships tend to pass and they may have hate. Now the fellas say I'm soft, but I cease to agree, 'cause I'd always had this rider chick being with me.